Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. What up, Carlos?
What's up, what's up, what's up?
What does coffee give you?
Joy.
Oh, it does that. What else does it give you?
It gives me energy.
Yes, gives people energy. Guess what this does?
What does it
do? This little stick here is an energy stick that I can shock you with.
Oh.
Are you ready?
No.
You ready? Wait, ready?
Oh. What is it doing?
I'm not going to do it. It's actually...
Oh my gosh, it's a lighter? It's a lighter. I have one of those. It's a plasma lighter.
Let's see how much hairspray Carlos has in his hair.
No.
A plasma lighter?
Yeah, that's plasma.
Oh.
Yeah, I have one of those in my car. But not. It's a smaller plasma.
It scares me.
Yeah. It lights on for like 7 seconds.
I'm
yeah.
not gonna hear you.
Yeah.
It smells like burning flesh.
Yeah, it has like mine has about 300 like lights per charge or whatever. It's also a flashlight.
Yeah. Oh, this one's not.
Yeah.
It's clever. It's just
That's
like
very, very cool.
I can't light matches because two reasons. I can't use those little flick lighters because I'll burn my finger.
Yeah.
I don't light matches because I'll burn my finger, but sulfur smell makes me gag.
Mm-hmm.
If you light a match, I will gag.
Mm-hmm.
It just is a thing.
Yeah.
You all done this before to me. But this is clever.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah. That was random as all get out. Hey, if you want to shock us, hit that subscribe button. We'll be so shocked to the core.
And listen to the podcast, please,
and
guys.
Please listen to the podcast.
Listen to the podcast. We're begging you guys to listen and to comment other things. Then can you please react to this? I promise you, we're going to bring audience interaction into the podcast. But for us to do that, we need an audience.
Yeah, totally. You know what?
Just check it out.
This podcast is brilliant. And I know a lot of people listen to podcasts instead of watch them. It depends. But we would love for you guys to watch it on the channel here, especially those of you who may not ever watch the podcast. We drop fire and heat from all things music in there. The music business, we've got some amazing artists.
Some incredible guests, and nobody
and you get to hear the really little, nuts and crannies, the nicks and crannies.
Yeah, the cranberries.
Nuts and bolts, You get to hear the ins and outs of our daily lives and fun stories of our lives that we pop right into that podcast. But just hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends about what we're doing over here. Hit us with those suggestions in the comments and all things. Send money. Until then, hey, I'm hypnotizing.
We're gonna watch.
Yeah, what?
Pyar ki Kashti.
Ooh, wow, Carlos, that was amazing.
Highly recommended. So very cool. It's 4K Ultra HD. So here we go.
We in it.
Boom.
No idea what this is gonna be.
No idea. No subtitles. So I'm sorry. Help us.
शिप मिस कर दिया सारी प्लानिंग उम्मीदें सब पानी
Oh, there's no subtitles.
अब मैं क्या करूंगी इस स्टूपिड शिप पर मैं अकेली क्या करूंगी
She's very upset.
Oh, got that.
क्यों किया ऐसे
It's exactly how I step into every bedroom. Singing a song.
It's like,
this is a cruise ship? Oh, look at that. We don't need to know the language.
She just stopped crying immediately. Yeah, this is a Carnival cruise ship.
Oh.
I love these things so much.
I do too. It's so good.
It's so crazy. Wait, is this the same dude from the other one? The one who was like dancing and like it looked like he had onion rings, but he was giving her the bracelet? Tell us in the comments down below. I told you, this is a Carnival cruise ship.
This is amazing. This is like that last party we had at your house, Carlos.
What?
Remember?
I'm homeless. Oh yeah, so yeah, it would make sense.
Carlos can play a mean flute.
I love how she went from like sobbing in the bedroom to like now she's like, yeah.
I mean, it wasn't cheap to make this. Okay, that's cool.
प्यार की कश्ती में है प्यार की कश्ती में है लहरों की मस्ती में है पवन के शोर शोर में चले हम जोर जोर में गगन से दूर प्यार की कश्ती में है लहरों की मस्ती में है पवन के शोर शोर में चले हम जोर जोर
This is so fun.
गगन से दूर
Whoa. One of us needs to be a flautist. Can I start taking lessons?
No.
Damn.
I already play too many instruments.
Oh, a flugelhorn.
Hey.
All right.
Oh. This track is killing me.
I wasn't expecting her to join in. You didn't know what she said.
I don't know. I love this though.
वहाँ सच होंगे सपने बनेंगे गैर भी अपने दिल की बारात सजेगी मिलेंगे
Oh, this must have been so stressful but so fun to film.
Right?
क्या सुना जो कहा क्या कहा जाना बहुत है दूर प्यार की कश्ती में है लहरों की मस्ती
I wish I could dance like that.
पवन के शोर शोर
My knees hurt just thinking about that.
गगन से दूर
Oh my god.
गगन से दूर
That's so epic. Oh, wardrobe change. Oh,
Oh,
wardrobe coming off. Oh.
the one random
I know. How'd she
lady
get up
from
there?
earlier. Hey.
Yeah, yeah.
Eh.
नजर क्या लगे वहाँ पर है प्यार ही प्यार जहाँ पर न बिछड़े मिलने वाले जहाँ सब हो दिल वाले
Got moves.
हाँ चले हम मिलके हो के खुशी में
Oh.
प्यार की कश्ती में है लहरों की मस्ती में है प्यार की कश्ती में है लहरों की मस्ती में है पवन के शोर शोर में चले हम जोर जोर में गगन से दूर
So fun.
That was so fun.
So fun.
I also hope they didn't have to go far. They're going to be exhausted.
Yeah.
I mean, that was fun. You know what it makes me think?
I'll tell you what it makes me think, but you go first.
Yeah, I've always wished, you guys, I've always wished that part of our culture, in indie culture, was that we, maybe in outer space there is a planet that does this, where everyone sings and dances as they communicate.
Oh, God.
Would that be amazing if we just walked into rooms and started singing and dancing to each other?
I don't know. That's
Are
New
you
York
going to-
City already.
I would love that.
Oh.
That was so good. That was a suggestion in the comments. Saw it. Actually, no, that was on Instagram.
Oh,
I got a DM on Instagram.
Yeah.
You know?
We check them out. Just saying. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Very famous Latin American song that made its way to the U.S. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena.
That one.
Yep. Hey, Macarena. My
That was
people.
so good.
Yep.
Who sang that? Los Lobos? No.
I don't remember. I
Wasn't
don't remember
Los
who
Lobos.
sang that, but
That was like a big hit.
huge song.
I mean, they still pull it out at weddings and
Yeah,
stuff.
it's
Like,
but anyway,
whoa,
so
that's come back.
that just reminded me. So they might have come out at the same time. This might have
Totally.
preceded it, and then someone heard it, and then
Or
you know,
vice versa.
Vice versa,
right?
yeah. So it's
Yeah.
been very, very cool. So
That'd be an interesting tidbit to know.
I know. I was looking up the lyrics because we didn't have any subtitles, and it was basically talking about in the boat of love and the waves of enjoyment, sound of the wind will go with a bang far away from the sky. And so it's very, very cool. Will we get love there? Will the garden flower bloom there? So will I find that beloved there? I'm just kind of skipping some lines. So it's really fun. I love this. I love, it's just large. Bollywood is just larger than life.
And that's what I love
And
about
it's
it.
so stinking cool that you can go from sobbing in a room,
Yeah.
and you're thinking, oh, is she in an apartment? Psych, she's in this giant boat, and then everyone's gonna start dancing and having a great time, and it's awesome.
I also love that it's like, it always seems like budget is never an option.
I know.
Or a problem.
Like, what the?
It's just
what
like,
in the world?
What do we want to
Like,
do? We want to rent a cruise ship in the middle of the
Yeah.
sea and let's get
Oh,
100 dancers
Gosh.
and helicopters and boats.
crazy.
It's crazy. I love it. I love
Yeah.
it.
So-
Fun. Thanks for the suggestion, you guys. Thanks for joining us on the, I started to say podcast. Join us on the podcast.
Yeah, check it
on
out.
today's reaction.
Yeah.
We're going to do more week after week as long as y'all keep coming back.
Yep.
So until then, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Dun, 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 Macarena.